Welcome to Product Critique. If you're in the market for a pool cue that combines performance, style, and professional level features without emptying your wallet, you've landed on the right video. Today, we're looking at what many believe to be the best Viking pool cue on the market, the Viking Valhalla 100 series with Irish linen wrap. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Viking Valhalla 100 series is a real stunner. This two-piece, 58-inch pool cue stick has an autumn orange finish that demands attention in any bar or game room. But this isn't just about looks, it's built with purpose. The cue is crafted with a high-quality maple wood shaft, designed for consistency and control. That 58-inch length is standard across most competitive cues, giving you a professional feel right from the start. Thanks to the two-piece construction, it's super convenient to store or carry to your favorite pool hall. What makes this cue even more appealing is the 5/16 by 18 inches stainless steel threaded joint. It ensures a solid, secure connection between the shaft and butt, offering minimal vibration and a true hit feel. And the Irish linen wrap? It's there for more than just tradition. It gives you a comfortable grip with reduced slip, especially when games get intense. On the performance side, the Valhalla 100 series comes with a 13mm leather tip that strikes a great balance between control and power. It's stiff enough to make firm contact with the cue ball but responsive enough to allow for spin and finesse when you need it. But what sets this cue apart is the engineering behind it. Designed by Viking cue artisans, the Valhalla line isn't just a budget series, it's a product of Viking's long-standing experience and attention to detail. Every cue is rolled, assembled, and inspected before shipping, so what you get is a stick that's ready for serious play. Another great feature is the interchangeable weight bolt system. Just like the cues in Viking's American-made lineup, the Valhalla 100 series lets you fine-tune the cue's balance and feel. Whether you like a lighter 18 ounces build or prefer a heavier 21 ounces, it's your call, and switching is a breeze. One of the best parts? Variety. The Valhalla 100 series doesn't limit you to just one design. There are over 100 styles and colors to match your vibe, your game, and your personality. So, if you're looking for a serious cue stick that delivers pro-level performance with an accessible design, and does it all without breaking the bank, the Viking Valhalla 100 series deserves a spot in your arsenal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. What's your go-to cue for game night? This has been Product Critique, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.